Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. If your domain changes aren't showing up and Squarespace says DNS is still propagating, this video will help. Well, in today's small tutorial, we're gonna fix the DNS not propagation issue in Squarespace in the 2026 version. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and confirm the DNS changes were saved. So what we're gonna do is log in here on Squarespace using the email address and password, go all the way to settings, domains and email, domains, then check your DNS settings. Check the correct values, compare e-records or cname with Squarespace instructions, then remove duplicate records. Since duplicates slow down or block complete propagation, disable the DNS proxy services, turn off Cloudflare or similar services temporarily. Then wait between 24 to 48 hours. DNS propagation can take time globally. You should also clear browser cache since all DNS data may still be cached. You can try and use the DNS checker tool to check the propagation status worldwide, and that's it. That's basically how you do it generally. But as basically a bonus or pro ideas, DNS usually updates faster than expected, so keep it in mind and keep checking. Avoid making repeated changes every time, and always keep your TTL set to default. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.